This is the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles, California area. During this emergency, all broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. The following message has been broadcast at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Doctors at the Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center detected a highly contagious skin infection. This disease has infected 23 people in the last 17 minutes. As a result, CDC officials have ordered the quarantine of the Ronald Reagan UCLA Medical Center. The county police have set up roadblocks at LeConte Avenue, Charles Z. Young Drive, Gelly Avenue, and Westwood Plaza. These roads are closed until the end of the quarantine. If you have strange symptoms on your skin, then call emergency services. You will get further instruction there. This is a dangerous event. All public and private schools are closed by order of the county health department. All public transportation is suspended. Do not leave your homes for any reason. If anyone in your family is sick, then isolate them at all costs. Isolation of those infected is vital to your safety. This message will repeat in 2 hours. The emergency alert system has been activated.